20-inch smallmouth.
Yeah.
It's like almost 2 decades old.
Alright, so what are we doing here?
Going fishing.
For what?
Smallmouth bass.
Creek smallmouth bass. Creek smallmouth. Let's get into it. Fish on.
There you go. Nice one.
Oh, he popped off.
Oh, what? We both missed it.
I had him on for a while.
Did it feel decent?
I don't know. It might have been the current too, fighting it.
Oh, that was so dumb. It didn't hit it.
Yeah.
But, dude, that fish wasn't small. Huh? Did you see it?
Yeah, I just casted my Senko off.
And I was just being dumb.
I was just being dumb.
Like,
Just trying to get the GoPro rolling.
oh, were you?
Yeah. First fish. Jeez.
What?
They fight really hard in that current.
Yeah.
Holy, get over here. Gee, this could have been your PB. Too bad you didn't hook into it. Alright, little guy.
Hey, good thing we came out.
Ah, he took my bait.
Did it?
Yep.
Okay. I don't have my seatbelt on.
Cut that part off.
Alright.
Spot number 2.
It'll ding at me here.
Spot number 2.
Spot number 2.
Spot number 2.
We gotta catch him here.
Yeah.
Not just miss him.
We got the pretzels. Ready to rock. Catching that fish made me tired. Made me hungry. This looks decent. Ah. On the jitterbug.
Monster. Nope.
See ya. I don't. What the hell? This is the only color I have, but I think this would be decent.
I have a smaller one if you want to use it.
Alright, so it's a good size. I'm gonna switch back for the next spot we go to. But doing what?
I don't know, they're like weird creatures.
What?
They're like weird creatures. Busted redneck hillbillies.
Hold on, hold on. Look at you. That looks better. On a crankbait?
I changed one.
You changed your mind? How'd you think that was a rainbow?
Oh man. That's a big one. For a second.
Maybe.
50%?
They're healthy fish though, that's for sure. Alright, I'm not liking this jerk bait anymore. I'm switching.
He saves his money.
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, never mind. He freaking took it though.
That's still nice.
Yeah. The way he about took the pull out of my hand though. When he took it. Why is my drag not going?
Is it like in front of that the rock with the tree?
It was like in the middle, I think. It wasn't even like a good cast.
But he smoked it.
I can't get him in.
Yeah,
He's dogging me.
he heard you made him free.
Yeah, how about it?
Quit balling.
Yeah, I like him.
I love him. You love him?
What should I name him? Oh, look at that. Gut.
Big belly.
Big belly fish. The release. Alright. I don't know. No. Doesn't seem bad though. Jeez. They just dog you in this current though. About the same size.
Same craw?
Oh yeah.
That's pattern.
Shouldn't have horsed him in like that. Oh well. I thought I had him hooked real good. Nice easy release. Messed up. I got spot number 4. It's 5, 6.
We're
Last
gonna wade
spot.
across. Okay?
Yeah?
And then we're gonna fish that big hole from the other side.
Oh, we're wading across. Then I'm taking this back. Never mind. We're wading across, he says.
Yeah.
All right. So we got a cross. Well, I don't want to catch no muskie. They're scary. First try.
There you go. Good thing it's on you.
These bugs are destroying me.
Nice one.
I haven't seen them yet. Doesn't feel that big. Oh my god. The shroom, huh? On the shroom. Fish? This little spot. Hi, little guy. Stop, that's no beaver out. No. Hey, I'll get it on video at least. No, there ain't no beaver there. Why would a beaver pick a slump like that? Oh, maybe this is a beaver dam. Oh, saw that. About time. That's a healthier fish. Look at that.
a chunk.
Yeah,
Man.
how about it? It was like right in front of you, wasn't it?
They're right in the middle of the current. Man.
You get him with both hooks.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Look at him.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, a lot better. Close up release on him.
Younger.
Nice fish.
Yeah, dude, it wasn't like against the, I mean, I don't know if it followed it.
I didn't realize how it'd be to work a popper.
Yeah, I mean, here you probably could, but like, the current, I mean, it's more for like flat water, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
Here you'd probably do it, man.
Another one. Another baby.
There you go.
Wait. What the heck? Rock bass?
Does it have red eyes?
No. Well, yeah. Red eyes. Rock bass?
Yeah.
There it goes. Rock bass. Wrong species. I get the dollar for multi-species.
Yeah. But you don't get the fish.
Oh! Blow up. Where was he at 10 minutes ago? Is he big?
It's not, you know, it's nice.
Nice.
Not as big as the last one.
Better than the ones we've been catching.
Whoa. I think it's from decent one.
Yeah.
What do you think? 12 inches?
See that little frog pattern on that jitterbug. Oh, you didn't like that.
Whoa. There you go.
Slow-mo release.
Slow-mo.
First,
On the way back up.
first try.
Did you watch the Lego movie?
No, I haven't. Holy! You got him? I don't know if you'll be able to see that on GoPro, but wow.
It felt big at the beginning, but now it's kind of. But it blew up on me.
Yeah,
It sees me.
it's probably that musky.
Dude, it's a nice sound.
Is it really? Oh, there he goes. Didn't get to touch him. You touched him? You touched the lure. That's all I saw.